Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Jasmine Hill Villa is a dream vacation property in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It is a 4-bed, 4-bath, waterfront gem on a private compound of approximately 1.27 acres in the exclusive community along Hermosa Lane. It is a classic with traditional Jamaican and Art Deco features. The design is practical for modern living and entertaining. From the entrance foyer, the villa opens to the light-filled dining and grand living room. The blues of the Caribbean Sea are within immediate view. Enjoy the quiet courtyard or relax on the wraparound veranda, which along with the pool and the deck are the gathering points of this home. Things to do includes snorkeling, swimming, kayaking, a full workout at the jungle gym, or a snooze in the gazebo. There is a private deck for boating enthusiasts. Nature lovers will find beauty in the manicured lawn, palm trees, and the dense tropical foliage that runs to the sea. Jasmine Hill Villa is your key to private luxury living by the sea. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $4,960,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.